Within the last year, the most frequent question that I get about my S85 swap into my 8 Series is, you had a V12, now you have a V10, 2 fewer cylinders. Why would you do it? Well, here's why. I'm right smack in the middle of this swap. So let's reflect on what I've done up until this point to catch up. I've only started documenting this swap in late 2018, so regretfully I don't have much of the teardown and bodywork. I've done a complete teardown, part acquisition, powertrain alignment, subframe, drive shaft, steering rack swap, tie rods, foreman's alignment, exhaust headers. So what do I have left to do? Not too much, just a little bit. But you better believe I'll have a string of videos about it. So I'm Frank Macaluso, and if you want to hear that sound come out of this car, like, subscribe, comment, tag your friends. I'm interested to hear what you have to say about what I'm doing here in my garage. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned mid this year as I paint this beast.